In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on Filmora 15. So, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. First, you can see I have already opened Filmora and to click on New Project. Here you can see Screen Record. Record PC screen. Click on here. Then you need to select each screen, which type of and which resolution you want to record. Here is lots of things. Screen on target window, TikTok, which one you want to record into set up. So I can doing its default for me. Then this is a microphone and camera off. All the setting you can use and your own preference. Click on this red icon. Wow, it's already start recording. It's working. Guys. Thanks for watching. See you again.